All right, let's check today's Bitcoin news. Bitcoin is down and it dumped quite a bit. News that Besant has said that he's not going to be buying more Bitcoin. So let's go and take a look here on Bitcoin.com. Lots of downtrends. Yeah, this is one U.S. Treasury Secretary dampens the mood. You won't buy Bitcoin for strategic reserves. So I think it maybe it's strategically played because it's too high to buy right now. Maybe that's true, maybe it's not, I don't know. But what it did is like whatever they said can manipulate the markets a little bit. So maybe he's gonna keep saying it, get it all the way down, get some tariffs going, and then buy it when it dips down to maybe some, I don't know, 110s maybe or below that. Hopefully the lower the better, and then buy it and then say, hey, we're gonna buy it, and it'll pump back up, right? I think it'll make sense. Um, because you want a dollar cost average, not at the all-time high. Okay. All right. And what's with this here? This is talks about core AI strength, tariffs, and crypto. Cisco. Uh, CFO Mark Patterson joins opening bid with Yahoo. At the company reported fiscal quarter results, they were slightly better than Wall Street estimates. Okay, that's good. All right, moving on. So who's cashing out? Well, I did. I mean, I probably didn't do much to the market, but I did cash it out a little bit, and I did get my credit card paid off because we are in this market. If it's at 120 trillion dollars, not everyone's gonna be able to cash out at 120 trillion, $120,000, right? Uh, there's got to be some sellers who's willing to take that up as people get out, or at least everyone. If everyone starts to get out, someone's gonna have to hold that price. And if there's not enough sellers, then the price has to come down. And so it's musical chairs with people's money. That's basically what the stock market is. And you need to get out before someone else does it. Okay. So that's the name of the game. If you have a need, take it, get rid of it, get your liabilities taken care of. Now, people who don't have debt, don't have a cash flow problem, we can afford to hold it. It's all good. If you're leveraged up, then that's debt. You have to get rid of it. You have to sell it, and that's it's just more liquidations after liquidations forcing you out, and that's kind of part of that too. Okay, so it's all about keeping it rather than getting liquidated. So all the while, uh, as I'm leveraging, I'm also pushing money to the side. I push it to a DCA bot here. Um, I used to have about 22 or so thousand. We pulled it out, paid the credit cards off, and we're now building it back up. So now we're at 3,000 again, and we have about I'd say maybe 6 to 7,000 in DeFi Saver. Let's take a look at that. See where we're at. Let me enter my password here so we can see where we are at. All right, so with this, I gotta make sure we switch over to we're on Arbitrum. There it is, 117 collateral. Um, I was kind of feeling sad that it was going up too high, but I'm kind of glad that it is coming down. We're building it back up. We're at point 0.1, building up to point 0.4. We had 0.41 or 0.45, but cashed it all out. But it did keep some behind. So there goes 5 plus an 8. I only got 8 grand sitting around. And that's my entire net worth. Wow. But we'll see. We had it up to 50K at one point, but I didn't take it. I could have bought a Tesla by now, but yeah, I didn't take it. I leveraged up high, lost a bunch, and so learning from that, take it, pay off the cards, and then once it comes down, I have the peace of mind to build it back up, then and build it back up more quickly without the burden of making payments and trying to pay off things. Okay. So if this comes up to 105, we will sell and kind of DCA out if it comes up farther and farther. Because that's what I like about the DeFi Saver. It kind of helps you dollar cost average out as it comes down. So even when it comes down to 80, 90, we're kind of in a sense taking profit on the way down. as opposed to taking profit on the way up, but then we don't know where or how much higher it's going. And then we're like, no, then we FOMO back in up here, and that's not cool. So that way, it just, just DCAs out all the way down. Even if it crashes real hard down to, something crazy, all the way down here maybe, we would have sold most of it all the way on the way down. Okay. All right. So M2 money supply is going sideways. So maybe it's topping out a little bit. It's losing a little steam. We'll keep an eye on it. It's kind of wedging over there. All right. So that's all I have for today. As far as what I'm doing, I'm still going to dollar cost average in as it comes down and just keep chugging at it. Save on DeFi Saver, buy collaterals, buy assets, borrow from them to pay your bills. So as it goes up, you're all good to go. Okay. All right. Talk to you.